All right, so had an issue with my Trane XB furnace. This is a pretty new furnace, it's like 5 years old. I had a guy come out and service it the other day, and he said that this high limit switch, which is back here, was having some issues. And as you can see, I've unplugged one of those leads there. And so apparently these fail pretty often in these furnaces. And the heating company quoted me about $350 to replace that part. I went online and I was able to find the part. It's labeled, the P15 marker was what kind of identified it to me. But it's like 20 bucks online. So anyway, I went ahead and took out the screws back there. Kind of need one of these extenders on your wrench or whatever you're using to actually get that to get the little nuts out of there. Little screws. So now all you have to do is just take the leads off and then put the new one on. So I'm gonna do that real quick. I'm gonna take that out and put the other one in, and it should fire up. So we'll see if that happens. First thing you wanna do when you take that out, before you even start working on this, is you wanna turn off whatever power source you have. Is probably a good idea. And I mean, you could turn the gas off too, but I don't know if you really need to do that. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and switch them out. They look like they're the exact same part, and I'll let you know what happens. All right, threw the covers back on and turned the power back on. Went inside, turned the heater on, and it has been running for about an hour now. And knock on wood, no problems so far. It seems to be fixed. So sometimes just throwing that high limit switch on there will fix your issue. Probably want to have someone come out and clean your system out as well. So anyway, hope that was helpful.